Christine bought Singorama because she loved to sing and always wanted to become a professional singer. But she knew she needed to really train her voice properly. So she decided to go with this option and dedicated the next couple months to practice. The results were dramatic and anyone who heard her before and after could tell the difference. She used to sing a lot in her head voice because she didn't have a good breathy tone. But within the first month of practice, all that changed. But the biggest change for her was after lesson 2 when she found her mixed voice. That was the happiest moment for her and the moment she knew she was on the road to sounding like a professional. Christine still practices every day, because as with anything, practice is super important, even if you have the best singing lessons to learn from. Click the link in the description below this video for details. If you really want to learn how to improve the fundamentals of your singing voice, you need to buy this program. The software that's included is amazing because it helps you perfect your pitch and then make sure by recording yourself with the studio software. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced singer, Singorama will get you to a place where you'll constantly improve your voice, as long as you keep practicing. It's a really decent price, has lots of useful material, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. It works for beginners and intermediate students, and even pros will probably find something that'll help increase their vocals. It's a complete course and has enough material to keep you learning for a very long time. It also includes singing software that will help you train your voice. The course basically consists of a bunch of different audio lessons along with some workbooks and software that help you while you're going through the different lessons. The singing system really covers a lot of different techniques and stuff that you need to learn in order to effectively use your voice. They go through harmony, breathing techniques, theory, posture and a whole lot more that many singers don't really know when first starting out. It's organized into different lessons that focus on specific topics. Beyond stuff about how to sing, it also covers things like stage presence and how you should feel and how to express yourself really while you're performing. A nice added bonus to Singorama is that it comes with a songwriting course. This mini course kind of teaches you how to write your own unique songs. Singorama is really about getting started as a singer and understanding your own voice. You go through different warm-ups and how you can strengthen your voice. It also delves into how to breathe and make sure you position your body correctly for the best singing voice possible. Click the link in the description below this video for details.